Hi parents, this is a video to show you how to use Clever. So Clever, I put a link right here. If you click on it, this will come up. You'll hit the colored squares where it says login. I'm using one of our students just to show you how it works. You'll put in their student ID number, and then you'll also put in their password. And then you'll press sign in. There's lots of different things in Clever. Some of the activities your students can use, some of them they can't. PathBlazers has language arts and math. Read 180 is something they cannot use. What I want to focus on is two things. Wonders is their language arts curriculum. Those are the tan pages that I sent home. When that comes up, there'll be a little textbook. You'll press launch. And once that comes up, there's this. The read has different books that they can read for the week. The main book is the first one, like this week is Anna Goes to Washington, D.C. It does read to your student. I'll pull it up so you can see what it looks like. They'll touch the arrows to turn the pages, and there's speakers so it can read to them. So they can read any of those books for the week. The other things that you might want them to do are games. There's different activities like fluency, grammar. If you just click on it, they can play the games. Writing, I would skip. They're not the best activities.
Words to know.
Words to know is their vocabulary for the week. If you click on the words, it pulls it up. You can hear it. There's videos, and that's pretty much what they can do. Each week it changes, so each week there'll be new things. The other thing I want to focus on is their math. Think Central is their Go Math. This will pop up. You press copy for their username. You go to Think Central, and what you're going to do is just paste that username into the box. I'm going to go back to my tab and get my password. I'm going to copy it, go back to Think Central and paste it in. And then you log in. Where you're going to want to go to is My Library. The Interactive Student Edition is where all their lessons are for the papers that I sent home. I sent home chapter 9, and I think they started on 9.2. This mouse video pops up. You can press start.
How can you describe Julie draw? There are 3 hours. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
You can do all those, your child can do all those things. Once you get here, if you click on it, there's different questions that they can do. So it will read to them. You can see videos. There's a toolkit. You just, once you have it done, you press check answer, you press next, and you can do all those questions. And then if you come back to this,
now try your home.
You touch the red whistle, there's quiz questions for that lesson as well. So same thing, they can hear it, they can check their answers. There's different examples and things here.
Homework on your own.
The other part that I like on their library, they have this, which is Curious George, little math models. You can see the skills. We were focusing on addition and subtraction. So if you click on the skill, you press go. A little video will come
George
up.
is juggling some balls.
Pause it so you can hear. You can click do the math. Math problems will come up. Independent practice, quizzes. So that's something else. There's tons of skills you can pick for your kids. And then Mega Math, I like the country countdown. If you pick the different things, you'll see skills that come up, subtraction, and there's also little videos and activities in there. I hope that helps. If you have questions, just let me know.